Imagine making money online without showing your face, without investing thousands of dollars, and without any special degree. Sounds impossible? Well, in 2026, AI has changed everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how beginners are using AI tools to generate income online. And yes, you can start today, so make sure you watch till the end. Artificial intelligence is not the future anymore. It's businesses using AI, students are using AI, content creators are using AI, and the best part? Most people still don't know how to use it properly to make money. That means the opportunity is still wide open. If you start now, you'll be ahead of 90% of people. The first method is AI content creation. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, create blogs, generate social media content, right? Then you can start a YouTube channel, create a blog, sell products. For example, you can start a faceless YouTube channel. Use AI to write the script. Use free AI voice tools for voiceover. Use stock videos for visuals. And boom, you have a complete video. Consistency is the key. You don't need to be a professional designer anymore. AI tools can create logos, thumbnails, posters, social media designs. You can sell these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Businesses are always looking for affordable designers. And with AI, your work becomes faster and smarter. This powerful. You can create AI prompts, Notion templates, digital planners, resume templates, create once, sell on times. That's called passive income. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy. Even beginners are making hundreds of dollars per month with simple digital products. Step 1. Choose one method only. Try everything at once. Step 2. Learn one AI tool deeply. Master it. Step 3. Create your first small product. Don't wait for perfection. Step 4. Be consistent for 30 days. Most people quit after 7 days. If you stay consistent, you win. Making money online, magic. It's skill plus consistency plus patience. AI, a tool. Your mindset is the real power. If you start today, 1 year from now, you'll thank yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe. This channel, AI Cash Guide, is all about helping you grow with AI. See you in the next video.